Hello to you, my wonderful viewers. It's so great to be here again and for us to have another interesting time to enlighten ourselves about everything that has to do with technology. This is the channel where you hear about the latest happenings and the latest news in the world of technology. Now, don't get it twisted. You are too on to TechByte, a platform where we bring wonderful happenings in the world of technology. Without wasting much of our time, let's just get into today's business. But in the meantime, you can check up our website on www.techbyte.com. Today, on this fresh episode, I want to talk about something that's been making the rounds in the world right now, and it's certainly be causing a lot of talking points up and there in every blog and every corner of the internet. Now, today, I want to tell you everything you should know about ChatGPT. What can ChatGPT do for you, and what exactly is it all about? Now, I know you've probably heard the word before, or you've been seeing the buzz, the post, and everything about ChatGPT and the talking points. I know it has caused a lot of talking points of recent. So, what can ChatGPT do for you, and what exactly is it all about? So, starting from what ChatGPT is, it is just basically a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and to do so much more with the tool. So basically, it's just a chatbot that can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, essays, and even code for you. Now, pretty much, it can hold conversation that can feel as real and as natural as if you are having a conversation with an actual person. Now, who made ChatGPT? Now, the chatbot was created by openai, an artificial intelligence and research company that launched chatbot on November 30, 2022. Now, openai is also responsible for creating DALL-E2, a popular AI art generator, and Whisper, an automatic speech recognition system.
ChatGPT and Bing together as with the default search experience to give you higher quality answers and more timely answers. Let's take a look. Here I am in ChatGPT, and as you can see now, Bing is the default, and when I come in and select it, I can now ask sort of real-time queries. For example, let's ask what I should expect to hear about Build and .NET. And what you can see is the results now are more up-to-date, they include fresh content, and they include citations. In fact, if you can see the links on that page there, you can click those and those will take you straight to a web page that's sourced by Bing.
Now, what's the big deal about ChatGPT? So basically, Microsoft has an extensive partnership with OpenAI through a multi-year and a multi-billion-dollar investment that's worth over $10 billion. You should know that ChatGPT is the fastest growing application of all time. The chatbot had more than 1 million users in the first 5 days after it launched, and the number keeps increasing to about 100 million active users 2 months after it launched. For comparison, it took 9 months for TikTok to reach 100 million users. So what can you do with ChatGPT?
I'm excited to announce that we're going to bring interoperability between ChatGPT and Bing for plugins. So you write them once, and they're going to run everywhere. So as you can see here in ChatGPT, I've got Zillow and Instacart enabled, but I want to show them to you here in Bing Chat. So we'll flip over, and you can see again, I've got the same plugins now in both Bing Chat and in ChatGPT. And what we're going to show you now is I'll do a search here for houses in Chicago, and I can ask for a set of criteria, learn a little bit about the neighborhoods. And now I can automatically call Zillow by saying, hey, give me 3 houses in a certain price range that meet my criteria. And what you can see is now I get these great options, and I'm also going to get all of the other great things you get with Bing, like helpful city guides and maps and prompts.
Right. You should know that with ChatGPT, there is no end to what you can actually do with the app in the creative space. So here's a list of what you can expect to do or for ChatGPT to do for you. And this includes writing emails, coding for you, writing an essay for you, creating an application for you, writing a code for you, help you with your to-do list, build your resume, write Excel formulas for you, summarize content for you. You can even have philosophical conversations with this chatbot. It can write a cover letter for you. You can even start an Etsy business with the app. You can ask for relationship advice on the chatbot. Now, the difference between ChatGPT and a search engine like Google is that ChatGPT is a language model created to hold a conversation with the end user, while a search engine indexes web pages on the internet to help the user to find the information that they seek for. So how can you access ChatGPT? Basically, you can access ChatGPT by simply visiting chat.openai.com, and then you can create an OpenAI account. Once you sign in, you can start chatting away with ChatGPT. Get your conversation started by asking a question. You can also even access ChatGPT via an app from your iPhone. So it is basically available on the Android platform and also on the iOS platform. Also, ChatGPT is currently available in more than 30 countries of the world, which include Nigeria, Argentina, Bolivia, Canada, Ghana, Iraq, Mexico, even in Pakistan, Tunisia, and also in the United Arab Emirates. So I'm sure the next question that you like to ask is, how much does this wonderful chatbot cost? So to use ChatGPT, it is presently free to use and open, or let me say it is presently open to the public to use it for free, regardless of what you want to use it for, including writing, coding, and doing so much more with the chat box. But there is also a subscription option that users can take advantage of that costs just $20 per month. Now, the paid subscription model guarantees users extra perks, like such as general access, even at peak capacity or peak times, faster response times, and many, many more options and perks that you can enjoy from the chat box. So that's everything you need to know about ChatGPT for today, and I hope you've learned one or two things, and I hope you can try to use the chatbot yourself and see how wonderful this chatbot is. You can just Google ChatGPT and just maybe download the app, or just go to the website that I gave you earlier on in the video, and then you can just make use of this chatbot. So till next time that will be here, just make sure that you stay tuned to this channel, and make sure that you please follow us, and please share this video to your friends and family so that we can go together and we can bring you more fresh and good quality content right to your enjoyment. Have a wonderful time, and thank you for watching.